Location, Las Vegas, Nevada. Date, July 5, 2018. An excessive heat warning is in effect from 8 a.m. Friday to 10 p.m. Wednesday. What? Temperatures range from 110 to 125 degrees. Where? For the state of Nevada. What to do? Drink lots of water and stay out of the sun. And then check up on relatives, friends, and neighborhoods. Date, July 10, 2018. Location, Las Vegas, Nevada. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Clark County Emergency Management. A large fire has been reported 2 miles south of Enterprise, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Due to high wind and temperatures is what it caused the fire. Every resident in the Enterprise and a 2-mile radius of the town must evacuate the area. Grab food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio to stay tuned to local media outlets for the latest information. Date, July 15, 2018. Location, Las Vegas, Nevada. Civil danger warning for the state of Nevada. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Clark County Sheriff's Office. Temperatures are reaching 145 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. A total of 100 fires occurred within the past 10 days. It is possible that temperatures in the state of Nevada has a possible chance to reach 200 to 391 degrees Fahrenheit. Residents in the state of Nevada must leave to a different state. The reason for the temperatures rising is because of the state's altitude rising, and it's expected to reach 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This means that Nevada's altitude has a chance to reach 150,000 feet by the next 20 days. This is the final message for the emergency alert system for Nevada.